Have you ever been into a double trouble situation? Malilate na po kayo kunyari sa ating 12:10 na misa dito sa katedral at yung nasa unahan ninyong sasakyan ay tila tumatakbo ng 10 kilometers per hour lamang, na parang kayo dito madaling-madali na kayo, bilisan mo na, malilate na kami sa misa. O kaya naman, nagising kang late at malaman-laman mo, walang tubig, walang pagkain, hindi mo naayos yung iyong damit sa iyong bahay. You need to pass an assignment or maybe a report, but then you don't have any internet signal just for you to accomplish it. Ayaw po natin at marahil nakakawindang malagay sa mga double trouble and shall we say a double trouble situation every day. My dear brothers and sisters, let us recall the situation of the ill man in our gospel for today. He was ill, and because he was at the portico, people would go there for cleansing and maybe for an experience of healing. And what became the double trouble for this man is that may sakit na nga siya. At kapag tumaas yung tubig sa pool na iyon, people might intercept him, unahan siya ng mga tao. Maybe some other sick persons can also be accompanied by other people, but he was just alone. He has to do an effort just to go to that pool. He was ill, and people would maybe block him in order for him to go to that pool. But you know, Jesus came to the rescue of this man. Enough now with the double trouble of being sick and for that incapacity to get near that pool. Panahon na para maramdaman ng taong ito na malapit siya kay Jesus. Panahon din para iparamdam ni Jesus na kahit man malayo ka pa sa pool na iyon, sa paliguan na iyon, dito pa lang may paghihilom ng mangyayari sa iyo. The blind man was telling the Lord that he would like to do an extra effort just for him to get near that portico. But the best efforts of that man was set aside with the Lord telling him, "Huwag kang mag-alala. You need not to come near that pool. Eto ako, malapit ako sa iyo. Dito pa lang, magaling ka na. Dito pa lang, may milagro na." My dear brothers and sisters, we've been in many double trouble situations. Troubles that we wish not to encounter anymore. We've also told the Lord and have given our best efforts. Lord, just to attain this prayer, I wish to do these days of prayer. Lord, para lang magawa mo o maging totoo itong milagrong ito sa buhay na ito, I will sacrifice this, I will pray this, I will go to this church, so on and so forth. Our best efforts to go to a certain place, like a pool, for us to be healed and to be well. But sometimes, our best efforts will be gone. But not to the point that our efforts are meaningless. But because all throughout, Jesus is just there standing near us, knowing what we need, knowing that we need to be well, telling us, nasa likod mo lang naman ako. Nandito lang ako. dito pa lang sa puntong ito, okay ka na. Dito pa lang, sagot na kita. Dito pa lang, may milagro na. My dear friends, in our best efforts, let us also hear the Lord telling us, let me do it for you. It is not that our efforts to make our prayer or request nothing, but Jesus stands near each and every one of us, wanting our healing, granting us our miracle, and blessing us with the gift of His very self.